Hey guys, Logan here from O2VAPE. Going to show you today how to fix a connection plate. We get a lot of calls coming in with customers who think that their battery is broken. When they go to draw on the cartridge, it appears that the battery is working, but they're not getting any vapor from the cartridge. Generally, when this happens, it tends to be the connection plate. So what I have here is one of our push button 510 thread batteries. And if you look down in between the threads with the cartridge off, in the middle you see the circular connection plate. So what happens is that generally gets pushed down when either A, you screw the cartridge on too tight, or B, when you go to screw the battery onto the charger and screw that on too tight. So a very simple fix. What we often tell people to use is just a paper clip. And if you stick the paper clip in between the connection plate and the threads, and you just pry towards the middle, it starts to raise that connection plate up. Be very careful because it comes up extremely easy. You don't have to give it a lot of pressure. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna walk around the battery and bring that whole plate up to about the middle of the threads. Once you go to put the cartridge back on after this, you should have a good connection and your battery should be working again. Thank you guys for choosing O2VAPE and have a vape-filled day.